should you buy the iPhone 14, which is pretty close? And let's talk about in today's video. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro, which has been amazing iPhone with a great battery life, amazing camera, great display. It's just amazing phone. This is a top-notch phone. This is great phone. So should you buy the iPhone 14, which is coming very soon? And many people are wondering. It's a great phone. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit different from the iPhone 13 series with a smaller notch, pill-shaped notch. Also, the camera is going to be a little bit better. It's going to be 48 megapixel, I believe. So should you upgrade your iPhone if you already have the iPhone 13 series? And the answer is no. I don't think that this justifies the price. And also, this is an already amazing smartphone here. This is a great iPhone with amazing display, great build quality, great camera, amazing battery life. So it's just, you don't get a lot. Basically, the display is going to be a little bit different for the iPhone 14 series, a pillow shape, a better camera, and it's just, I don't think that makes sense to upgrade, if you know what I mean. So this is an already amazing iPhone. So yep, my advice is you should not upgrade if you already have the iPhone 13 series. Even if you have iPhone 13, you still doesn't make sense personally for me to upgrade, and the price is going to be a little bit more expensive this year. So just bear in mind that it's going to be a little bit more expensive. If you have iPhone 10, 11, even 12, yes, definitely you should upgrade. Definitely you should get the iPhone 14. The iPhone 13 is going to be a little bit cheaper after the release of iPhone 14. So just get yourself iPhone 13 or iPhone 14 if you can afford. Thank you very much for watching. If you agree with me, ring the bell, smash the like button, do your thing. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video.